How to delete a story on TikTok. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a story on your TikTok account using the latest version of the app. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, go straight to your profile. Now, when you're on your profile, check if you have any stories currently posted. If you do, you'll see them at the top of your profile. Tap on your story to open it. Once your story is open, look for the arrow icon or the three dots depending on your version, which will give you a set of options for the story. Tap on that. In the options menu, you should see the option to delete. Go ahead and tap on delete. TikTok will ask you to confirm this action, so simply tap confirm to permanently delete the story. Once deleted, your story will be removed. And if you go back to your profile, TikTok will prompt you to add a new story since your current one has been erased. If you have multiple stories, you can repeat the same process for each one. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.